Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Binance app and remove payment methods, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Binance app, begin by locating the app on your device. For Android users, find the Binance app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Press and hold the Binance app icon until a menu appears. Select Uninstall from the options provided. Confirm your choice by tapping OK to remove the app from your device. For iOS users, locate the Binance app on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until all icons start to jiggle. Tap the small X that appears in the corner of the Binance app icon. Confirm your action by selecting Delete to uninstall the app. Next, to remove any linked payment methods, open the Binance app if it is still installed. Log into your Binance account using your credentials. Navigate to the Wallet section from the app's main menu. Select Payment Methods to view all your linked payment options. Choose the payment method you wish to remove. Tap on the Remove or Delete option associated with that payment method. Confirm the removal by selecting Yes or Confirm when prompted. If you have multiple payment methods, repeat the removal process for each one. If you uninstalled the app, you can still manage your payment methods via the Binance website. Log into your Binance account through a web browser. Go to the Wallet section from the navigation menu. Select Payment Methods to view your linked payment options. Follow the same process to remove the payment methods as you would in the app. Once you have removed the desired payment methods, log out of your Binance account. Your uninstall and payment removal process is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.